cow, bitch, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat, I don't say meow.
Good morning, world. It's your boy FRE H Fresh, and I'd like to welcome you to my first and most likely only mixtape, Dare to Be Different. What you're gonna get out of this mixtape is hope. The chance to see that there's another way to live, another way to make it to the top. The Flyboy way. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy way. That's TheFlyBoyway. Don't ask why, just check out the channel. And we are back in the South Beach condo. And we're here on a Thursday instead of a Friday when I normally come, because this weekend, if I didn't put it in already, is Rolling Loud weekend. And I know it's in Miami Gardens and I'm in South Beach, but most people stay in South Beach even though the concert is in Miami Gardens. I'm not going to concert because they didn't have any one-day passes. Like, for me, that just sounds crazy. I'm not going to pay for 3 days, and I know I'm not going to be here Sunday. But I came here early, and I'm about to go live and do some Tinder searching. So if you haven't checked that Tinder search video out, make sure you check it out. I don't know how it's going to be, but it's going to be good. And I just want to give a shout out to CallMeTiffic, a.k.a. Chrissy. Yo, she always leaves the condo so clean when I get back. Look at how she made the bed, swept the floor, did the laundry. Oh yeah, the kick game is coming. The closet game is coming. Let me turn it around for you guys so you guys can see how the closet game is coming up. I turn this light on here. All right. So I went and bought these Javis I was trying to get from longest. Bought the other Javis. Still got the Timbs from Jersey, so you know it's there. Air Max. I like these Reeboks. This is bronze. This is bronze. Those are Kyrie's. I probably shouldn't have the bronze and the Kyrie's next to each other, but you know. Plus the shoe collection and the hat collection, cause you know, brother got a reason. But you know, gear's getting on deck now. Chizel got the Porsche out. Chizel got the Porsche out. Ooh, we want to turn. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy way, all platforms. We are here at a place called The Corner, which is literally on the corner, right across the street from 11, but 11 line is just ridiculously too big, and down across the street from 11 is a place called The Hangar, and the Hangar line is kind of long also, and it's like 1 o'clock already, so we figured we'd be out here till about like 2, get a couple drinks, see the vibe, and see what it's like, because I want to make sure that I hit every spot up, you know what I mean, so I know what it's like. But you don't have to dress up, you don't have to put nothing on, but I just felt like wearing these kicks right here. I don't say with the little red thing, with this Washington National hat, you know what I mean? But we're going to go ahead and see what it's like, all right? Let's go. Travel the world. I got only like 30,000 followers, but to get some good info, where you are from? Miami, and where y'all headed to?
Spain.
Woo! Okay. Thank you. Better way to start the day than with a beautiful woman going to get some food because the brother is hungry. Let me start it off right. What's going on? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at Flyboy Way. That's THEFLYBOYWAY. Don't ask why to check out the channel. And we are headed down to the infamous Jackson's. You know, in Overtown. Man, this might be my number one breakfast spot. Mostly. Probably because it has a soul food. There's not really many soul food breakfast spots out here in South Beach, around South Beach area that I know of. But yeah, so we're gonna go down here and look how she look with the color. Duke, look at the colors. It's the colors. It's colors for me. I mean, I was trying to match the fly, but you know, feel like a nice little blue pinkish day. Yeah. So let's go. Alright, so we're in Jackson's right now. She came to a soul food restaurant and ordered French toast. French toast at a soul food restaurant. No, they don't need to know all that. You know what I mean? I'm just saying she came to a soul food restaurant and ordered French toast. French toast in the soul food restaurant.
Why?
Who does that? Who does that? Okay, so we're gonna go here again.
Bro, it's okay to have different colors. It's not supposed to match all the time.
She literally went to the shop and got different colors.
You only know chicks that get the same color all the time?
Isn't it supposed to coordinate? Let me see the nails up. Let me see both nails. Oh, it kind of look like that thing with the palm trees on it.
That's the one that...
It is the exact one?
Yeah.
How do they know?
Because I showed them the picture and I said this is what I want.
Oh,
and we couldn't find the right blue. That's why we tried this one. That's not the right blue. So he's like, okay, well then let's just try another blue for the hands. You're making a face like you don't like it.
It's nice.
No, it's not. That's fine.
She don't have no corners, no bunions. It's nice, but you know, it just didn't match. Hey, yo, what's going on? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way. That's THEFLYBOYWAY. Don't ask why, just check out the channel. And we are here. Let me clean this lens real quick. Oh, it's gone. We are here down in the WynWood section, going to this place called Oasis. Now, we haven't gone to Oasis before, so I know I wanted to come and film that. It is Rolling Loud weekend, and Rolling Loud is crazy. Chizel, tell them how crazy it is, man.
Man, I'm tired, man. I can't really talk, but it's crazy.
Yo, listen, forget about going to Miami Beach. That's blocked off. If you're in the concert, it's like completely madness going on there. And then after the concert's over, it's like 10 o'clock? 12 o'clock is over? Yeah. So if it's over at 12, you're going to see a mad influx to WynWood. You're going to see a mad influx to South Beach because everything else is open till 5 in the morning. So we are here with
Chrissy.
Also known as host. Give me the pause. Give me the play.
CallMeTiffic.
Okay. And you got DJ Chizel right here. Y'all seen Chizel earlier?
Woo.
Yeah. So I'm gonna flip it around so you guys can see Oasis. Doesn't look like it's a long line anymore, but it was when we pulled up. So let's go. Yeah, I'm actually come inside too. Beautiful. Alright, so we went one. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy FRE H Fresh at the Flyboy Way, all platforms. We went from one side of WynWood to the next side of WynWood that you guys are accustomed to. Of course, this side is like hella packed. And you already know who's here with me. Say hey, you see Chrissy. Hey, the DJ Chizel. You see DJ Chizel over here? And it's just it's a lot of things out here, boy. It's a lot of things out here. A lot of things. But we can walk down the street, see if we get something to eat. See what's going on over here. Pretty much probably done with the club thing. With a bar, it might not be too bad or not. We're gonna see what we get here. Chizel, what way should we go, man? And snacks. Alright, ready? I just wanna get the Fuego!